Hello everyone. Many of you asked me how to use this stopwatch, the tracker. Okay. Today I'm going to show you 5 steps. So step number 1, how to open and charge the tracker. Okay. Step number 2, how to synchronize from your watch to your handphone. And step number 3, how to check your healthy point. And step number 4, how to check your step per day, week, month and year in your history. And the last step number 5, how to redeem the voucher. Everybody wants the voucher. Okay, so take a look my video until the end as we start the video.
Hey, today I got the new gadget things, you see? Wow, nice, right? So we can participate for the National Challenge Season 4. Yeah. Okay. So you see my watch. Okay, show you how. This one is the X-Core Tempo 2. Okay, so oh nice. Okay, so this thing, how to charge this thing? Let me try. Okay, not open. So you need to pull. Okay, no. You know, any idea, bro? To open it's so difficult to open. Let me see what's the okay. So actually they got the charging behind indicate how to open. Okay, so now we try again. So this part. How come still cannot? No. Cannot. We'll try.
Okay, many of you asked how to open this. Some of you may not know how to open because this is a brand new watch, so everything new is quite bit tight, but don't worry, I will show you easy way to open. It's a very simple, no need to force yourself too much, you just follow my instruction. So this is the charging point over here, you must take out from here, not here. Okay, follow this direction. So first your finger just press. Okay, then you can charge in laptop. So for the charging, you can charge in the laptop, you can charge in your handphone charger, you can charge everywhere. So once you insert this, you can feel there is one vibration. So vibration means charging. If no vibration, that means it's spoiled. So basically, so far I have tried 200 watch. So far no issue. So this is the way to charge, and how to see this. Actually, laptop you have to pull up. So one day you charge, 7 days can use. One day you charge, 7 days can use. But when first time when you charging, at least you charge 1 hour. So 1 hour you charge, you can use 7 days. Okay? Thank you very much. Step 2. To synchronize your tracker to 365 in your mobile phone. So 1659 you can see my tracker. Before that, you on the Bluetooth. So turn on the Bluetooth, then follow by you click Healthy 365 apps. So once you click, wait until synchronize complete. It will take just 20 seconds to synchronize your tracker to your handphone. Okay, now 1659 you can see, and check your health point here. Step 2, you can check your health point over here. Okay, once you click challenge details, here you can see your health point. You click tier 3 step health point. So I have complete tier 1, tier 2, and also there's a step category. You can see how much point you can get. Also have MVPA, heartbeat also can show you the MVPA category, how much point you can get. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use MVPA. It's meaning moderate to vigorous physical activities. So long press and hold. Okay, start. Now we start moving. So after finish, I will show you the configure. Okay, now you can see how much you are working and you are running timers. Stop. One press is Step 3. Practice some of these tips and you will be hitting your exercise goal in no time. So join a group fitness class or go to the healthier you. Gain your way to fitness, exercise your way to place. You can cycling, get moving at work. Also you can run, you can kickboxing, you can yoga, playing football. Play with your kids, you can achieve 10,000 very easy. Step 4. How to check my step per day, week, month and year. So you click on history, you can check your per day, how much you achieve, 1 week how much you achieve, 1 month how much you achieve. So this is showing your achievement. Step 5. How to redeem e-Voucher. So first of all, you click on my health point, then you click the redeem health points. As you can see here, you can claim a lot of voucher over here. You can buy it online. Select anyone, you can select your transit link and basket. So I'll show you one. How to use. Just type your bus card number or MRT card number behind your card, as you can see. So once you type ready, click on redeem. As you can see, back of the card showing the serial number. They will send you one SMS code number. As you can see, SPB send you one code number, then type the number 3254, submit. Once you submit, it will be successful. So over here the option is showing, remember, proceed to any transit link, add value machine or ticket office to top up your registered travel card after 10 days. Check your voucher status via transit link, APT apps and visit this link. So the first thing, you proceed any of the ticket office to show them this processing number. There's one number, transaction number, they will help you. They will guide you.
Safety is love.
Wow.
See what's that? Hey, I got it. Wow. This is my step challenge.
Yes.
So I redeemed the voucher.
Probably you will encourage everyone to run from now on.
Yes.
That's the
Thank
thing.
you very much. Okay, thank you. I got the voucher gift. I redeemed the voucher, you see. See my redeem voucher, Lazada voucher, $5. Take a look the serial number. Yes. So you must work. What is inside? Let me check. I believe I order is iPhone headphone, iPhone earplug. Wow, very hard. So my friend, you must work more, you can get voucher. Once you get voucher, then you can buy in online. I buy in Lazada. Free. See? Take a look. It's free of charge. This is the voucher. As you can see here, I go to Lazada. Here. The $5 charge is totally free. Never pay anything. This is the headphone over here. This headphone I buy $5. I just use the voucher. So take a look. Wow. Yes. Wow, buy one free. Wow. Surprise, man. Wow. Lucky my wife coming, I give to her one. She will be more happy. This for iPhone, this for my wife Xiaomi. She loves Xiaomi. So make sure every day we step on the voucher. Then you can redeem. You can buy in online so many things. Also you can buy in here. As you can see, once you complete tier 1, tier 2, they will give you 1,500 point. You can buy $10 NTC voucher. You can buy so many things. Where to buy? Just simple, click on redeem. So my wallet is 0 because I already used my point. But now if you all have point, just go to catalog. Then here all you can buy from Lazada. You can use your MasterCard, EasyLink card, Fair Price, NTC voucher. There's a lot. Those who like to go jalan-jalan like Singapore Zoo, Bird Park, Night Safari, also you can redeem the voucher over here. There's a lot. So I have just redeemed $5 of MasterCard. I use. I can buy from Giant Market, buy something, and also from Lazada I buy dress, family dress with my family. So I already have used this. So make sure everyday run, everyday walk. As you can see my history, I walk every day. Okay. So it's a very simple step. Once you have point, once you get the health point, will be appear here. Click on my reward. Then you go to catalog. Then you press. You want to do which one you want to buy. For example, go to Lazada. I don't have points, so I cannot redeem. Click on redeem, so you can buy whatever you want. And also from the SMRT card, if you are using EasyLink card, from the behind of the card, behind of your card, this number once you type here, they will ask you for 4-digit of password. So once you update your 4-digit of password, you will redeem. then you can get $10 off easily cut very easily. Thank you for watching.
Okay.
Yeah, I got my second prize. Okay, take a look of the price. Just I pay 0 cent. Okay, I never pay anything because I use Lazada voucher. How I get this voucher? Because every day I walk and run, exercise. So if you achieve 10,000 per day, you can gain some voucher. Okay, this is my second prize. So how to redeem this? Let me show you. It's a very simple process. First, you on this. As you can see here, my rewards. So my wallet is 0 because I already used all the point. So this is the voucher I have used, $5. So if you have 750 point, you can get $5 Lazada voucher. So where is the so how I redeem this voucher, how to buy? As you can see the code number here, there's a serial number. Once you click redeem, the serial number will show you. Make sure you copy the serial number. Okay, then you go to Lazada apps. As you can see here, I have paid. This is the serial number I've insert inside. So I have ordered this and I received this t-shirt. The t-shirt is very nice, look very nice. Let me show you. It's a daddy number 1, the t-shirt. Daddy number 1. Why daddy number 1? Because I always take care of my baby. Okay, it's a very nice material. You can order in online. There's a lot of size, M size, L size, S size, even got kids. Okay, so this is my second prize using of 750 health point to achieve this t-shirt. Thank you.